Hi little ladybugs, this is Miss Silvercurls and welcome to my channel. Welcome little ladybugs, it's Miss Silvercurls and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my background. So recently I was working for DevaCurl as a curl coach. I auditioned for the position and I was trained for the position, and I would go into Sephora stores and train the salespeople on the DevaCurl products and how they're used on the hair and how to use them. So I've done a video before that you can look at where I talk about the correct process for styling curly hair, and that's pretty much what I did when I went to Sephora for DevaCurl. But before DevaCurl, I was a law professor. I have a law degree. I went to Whittier Law School, and I never practiced law. I was never licensed to practice law, but I taught at Cal State Long Beach. And so, hi to any of my students out there. I'm Professor D. Remember me? Anyway, I retired from teaching, and I've been in retirement. And so this is the trilogy phase of my life, the third phase of my life in my 60s during retirement. And I thought it would be fun to come to the YouTube audience for the group that's pretty underrepresented on YouTube. I've looked through YouTube trying to find 60 plus YouTube influencers to talk about issues related to 60 and sexy, and there are a few, but they're not very consistent. So I thought we would talk about things like menopause and fashion and dating or not dating, hair, particularly hair, our dogs, our children, anything related to being 60, sexy, curly, and curvy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and click subscribe, recommend me to a friend. Bye little ladybugs.